Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 2 and 3 of exercise 2.4. Question number 2 says, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Then classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole number. They have given you 7 parts and you have to find the reciprocal of each part, and then after carrying out reciprocal you have to decide whether if it is proper fraction, improper fraction or a whole number. So part 1 is 3 by 7. Therefore we can write the reciprocal of 3 by 7 is equal to 7 by 3, and here you can see numerator is greater than the denominator, so we will say that it is improper fraction. So we have given both the answers. First we have find the reciprocal, and then what reciprocal is improper fraction, proper fraction or whole number, that you have to say. Second part is 5 by 8. Therefore you will write therefore reciprocal of 5 by 8 is equal to 8 by 5. Again numerator is greater than denominator, so it will be improper fraction. About improper fraction and proper fraction I have already discussed with you in introductory lecture, so please go there so that you can understand properly. Here the number is 9 by 7, so we will write the reciprocal of 9 by 7 is equal to 7 by 9. Here numerator is small than denominator, so it is a proper fraction. Fourth part is 6 divided by 5. Therefore we will write the fraction, the reciprocal of 6 divided by 5 is 5 divided by 6, which is again proper fraction. Now fifth part is 12 by 7. Therefore the reciprocal of 12 by 7 is equal to 7 by 12, which is again proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than denominator, it will be proper fraction. Sixth part is 1 by 8. Therefore we can write the reciprocal of 1 by 8 is equal to 8 by 1, which can be written as 8 only. And what is 8? Is equal to whole number. Okay, now seventh part is 1 by 11. Therefore the reciprocal of 1 by 11 is equal to 11 by 1, which I can write as 11, which is again a whole number. Hope you have understood this question. Now let us move to question number 3. Question number 3 says, find. Again they have given you 6 parts, and from that I will solve 3 for you. 3 will be for your homework. Part 1 says 7 divided by 3 whole divided by 2. A fraction is divided by a whole number. You know how to solve fraction when fraction is divided by whole number. You will multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. Here whole number is 2, which can be written as 2 by 1, so reciprocal of it is 1 by 2. So our answer will be 7 1s are 7 and 3 2s are 6. Convert it into mixed fraction, we will get 6 1s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. Now third part, I am taking the odd numbers. Even numbers we have to solve. 6 divided by 13, this is a fraction divided by whole number. Again whole number 7 can be written as 7 by 1, and what is the rule? Multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. And what is reciprocal of whole number? 1 by 7. 6 ones are 6 and 13 sevens are is 91. This is proper fraction, so we will write as it is. Now moving to the fifth number. Fifth part says 3 integer 1 by 2 divided by 4, which is improper fraction, so we will first convert it into proper fraction, which is in mixed fraction. We will convert it into improper fraction and then divide. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 whole divided by 4. So it became a fraction divided by whole number, and whole number can be written as 4 by 1. Now multiplying the fraction by a whole number, dividing the fraction by whole number, what we do, multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. So we will get 7 1s are 7 and 2 4s are 8. 7 by 8, which is which is a proper fraction, so we can write 7 by 8 only. Hope you have understood this question. Rest 3 you will be solving on your own. If you have not understood this question, please go through the introductory lecture so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new lecture in new videos. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.